Are you tired of Facebook and want to delete your account for good? In this video, I will walk you through the simple steps to delete your Facebook account quickly and permanently. Stay tuned. It's time to regain your online freedom. Open Facebook app. Make sure you are logged in and also make sure that you are using the updated version of Facebook app. Now click on these three horizontal lines. Now click on setting. Now again click here. Now come to personal details. Click on account ownership and control. Now click on deactivation or deletion. Now choose your account. Now here are two options: deactivate account and delete account. Click on delete account and click on continue. Now select an option, click on continue. Again click on continue. Now scroll down and click on continue. Now it is asking you to put the password. After you have written the password, it will give you the option that your account will be deleted in 30 days. So that's it for now. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.